What if I told you there is a place that has gorgeous views, tannic water teeming with brook trout, and waterfalls around every corner? And to add on top of that, it's easily explored in a day from both sides. And no matter how many cars are in the parking lot, you find yourself alone very quickly. Let me introduce you to Panthertown Valley, or the Yosemite of the East. My buddy Emmet and I found ourselves with a weekend in our hands and an itch to catch some brook trout in some scenic places. We fished this valley from both sides on 2 separate days and found good fish wherever we went. Our day one started after church with a nice downhill cruise to the creek on the west side. We came out at a waterfall, and it didn't take long to hook up with our first fish of the day.
Beautiful little native on the deep stonefly, first fish of the day. Very welcome. That's my first native brookie of the year, isn't it? Hi folks, first one of the day, get him back. Thanks, sir. There we go. Didn't take too long at all. Shoot. All right, your turn now. There's more in there. That's a good fish, isn't it? Dude, that's a beauty. That is a freaking beauty, dude. Oh, we got Emmet on his first native brookie of the day. Maybe ever. We're not quite sure what he's caught, but that is a pretty one, dude. There he goes. Dude. Good work. That was fun.
That was good. That was a nice one.
Well, 2 fish at the first spot. Not bad at all. I think I'm gonna throw one more in there. So I got a deeper rig on. I think I can pull one out of there. That guy was aggressive, tell you what. Beautiful. Second one of the day. Not a bad start.
After those first few fish, we got hung up by a rain delay. It downpoured enough to get us wet, but then the skies cleared and we were able to resume fishing near the Granny Falls.
Folks, fairly certain that was out of frame and the GoPro was down, but I mean, a beautiful brookie. Golly. You got that?
Yeah.
At a spot like this, you're showing the falls, isn't it? Not bad at all. Ain't bad. Alright folks, pretty awesome fish here in an awesome place. Let's get her back to where she belongs. Oh, she belongs at my foot apparently. Thank you, dude. That was cool. So what I was doing is I was under those logs over there, and I had the rubber legs, and I had the rubber legs, and I just kind of twitched it, and I think that twitch made it look like it was moving. John came out and grabbed it at the falls. It's pretty cool. Sweet. All right, let's catch some more.
After that stunner on the stonefly, we missed a couple more in the skinny water, but with the sun sinking, we had our mind set more on the salt rock overlook than picking up an extra fish or two. We sat down and took in the view while the Nanaimo sun sank lower, until calling it for the day and retreating to dinner back at the cabin. Our day 2 started by accessing the east side of the valley. We started our hike around lunchtime, and we fished our way down an overgrown tributary with mild success. But the action didn't pick up until we got to the bottom of the valley, right below the famous Schoolhouse Falls.
Yep, nice, good fish. Huh?
Yes, sir.
First action in a while. I haven't got himself one. Work Tex.
Beautiful.
It's a beauty. What's the background noise?
A little.
It was definitely a path less traveled.
There you go.
Shoot.
We were feeding every bug in there. Come on, Mackenzie. You did stuff. For real. Stop watching stuff.
Beautiful.
Good work.
Beautiful.
Folks, it's been quite the adventure thus far. Bushwhacked for a long time. Figure out we weren't on the trail we thought we were, which was fine. We were by a creek. Emmett caught one. We found the actual trail come around. There's a lot of people around, obviously, but Emmett just tossed it in here and got him one. So that's good stuff. We're gonna fish up to this big waterfall up here, see what we can do. Oh, that is a great fish, folks. That is a great fish. Oh, that's great, guys. That is a stunner. That's a pretty cool fish in a pretty cool spot. It's one of the biggest ones I've caught, dude. Alright, to him back here. Yeah, dude. Appreciate it, buddy. Emmett had the great save on the, he had the pliers. He had to come all the way around the falls though, get him to me. I appreciate the hustle though. That was fun. He came up and just sipped that, where is that? Shift that kind of terrestrial bug right there, hopper. Whatever that is, he liked it. That's pretty cool. Alright, snack time?
Yes, sir.
After taking a snack and water break at the falls, we continued downstream into a much skinnier section of the creek. But much to our chagrin, it turned out to be the best fishing of the whole creek.
Nice. Oh, coming with the net. Coming with the net.
I have to invest in one of those fancy net things y'all carry.
That's also terrible for the fish. Look at the colors in that, John, dude. Here, get him unhooked and we'll get a good look at him. And then got him the beauty here. Oh yeah, dude. It's a great fish.
Beautiful. Sorry. No, really. Oh, there you go.
He's good.
He was ready to get going.
Worked excellent.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I was looking at the other fish.
He just kind of swiped at it though. There you go.
Look at the colors on this one. Look at the colors on that, John. I'll get a real good shot of him there. Y'all zoomed in on him. You got him? That's incredible, dude.
That's beautiful.
That's incredible. These fish are pretty impressive creatures, folks. We were just talking about how long these fish have survived, and how this would be a minnow back in the day. I guess it's still a minnow, but it's fun nonetheless. Hell of a lot of fun. Can't beat that, dude. Getting that orange belly for the spawn. Alright, I'm gonna quick picture of him and let him go. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Nice.
What's that one? You ever cut your finger trying to do that?
About once every 5 times, yeah. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. That's a good one. Good work, Tex.
Controlled humane release.
That's right.
No flying lessons for this one.
I stole the leg. Good work.
There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh yeah. Golly.
You get away? Oh.
Now that is a native right there.
Alright, let me get over there.
Did you hear him he eat that thing, dude?
He's munching over here.
Nice in here, folks. I don't know if y'all can hear that audio of him splashing. Freaking munched that terrestrial, though. Got him good there. Golly. That is gorgeous. Pretty good one here. That's why we come down here. That fish is just so crispy. So perfect. Get him gone. Thank you, sir. The sunlight. There he goes. Hell yeah. Thanks for the camera work.
The little tiny fish smacked it, the big old fish came, and then the big old fish swam away.
Get him back in.
Big old sucker.
Get him in there.
Watch. That time.
That's a big fish, dude. Hellfire. Hellfire. That's a really good fish, dude. Oh my gosh.
Freaking hog.
Holy crap, dude. That's
a really big fish. On a creek like this? Are you kidding me?
Hog.
Oh my gosh. Folks, pretty incredible brookie here. That is just gorgeous. And that is, now Grandpa, you're probably watching this and you're like, that's the size of the smallest fish I catch. I know, but for this, for this stream and for a fish like this, that's pretty incredible. One of the biggest ones I've caught in a stream like this, for sure. That is just, oh my goodness. All right, folks, pretty incredible fish here. And get him back where he belongs. That is a hammer. Sit here and make sure he gets off all right. There he goes. He'll be all good. Dude, thank you. That was, it's kind of bad form. Emmett was fishing for him and he had him look at it and didn't eat it. And Emmett broke off. He's like, how you fishing, man? Then he chomped that. I don't even know what, I'm gonna like hang this fly on the wall and I've caught like 5 good brookies on it. But whatever it is, they kind of a just terrestrial hopper, buggy looking thing. They're liking it. That's pretty cool. All right, it's your turn now, Emmett. I can't keep taking your fish from you. Got him? Nice. Fight right there, bro.
It was not giving it to me.
Right, come on down, too. Had a baby, Tex.
Find some also. Little humane release.
What?
Oh, you want to get a picture with the phone?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, go for it. Now it's cooperating very well. There you go. As a little brother to the one you caught.
Don't matter. That was cool.
Hey, fish is a fish, boy.
That's right. That's the philosophy I've gone by.
I'll say that till I catch a big one. Once I catch a big one, then it matters. Until then.
Emmett's last fish capped off our time in Panthertown, and we headed back to the truck to get back to school. Thinking back on this weekend in the valley, I already want to get back to explore. The combination of isolation, good fishing, and beautiful views are hard to beat. Until next time, I'll be thinking about the magic and fish this place holds.